How to export for YouTube. To begin, I added some videos to my timeline and I would like to export for YouTube. Right-click on your sequence and project panel and select Export Media. In the export window, set the format to H.264, then set preset to one of YouTube, HD or Full HD. Make sure both export video and export audio are checked and click on this button to change the export location. Now go to Video tab and scroll down, and make sure Render at Maximum Depth is checked. Under Encoding Settings, set Profile to High 10. Under Bitrate Settings, set Encoding to VBR2 Pass. If you want more quality and a bigger file size, increase target bitrate, and if you want lower quality and a lower file size, decrease it. Now make sure Render at Maximum Render Quality is checked. Click on this button to save this preset with these settings for future uses, and type a name for it, and click OK. At last, click Export to export the video. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.